Hi everyone, it's me, Mila Rose, and today we are going to be doing our second account budget for the month of September. If you are new to this channel, thanks for joining me. If you are interested in videos about designing a life you love, things looking at budgeting, savings, paying off debt, making large purchases, all of that fun stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can watch all of my videos. Go ahead and hit the bell so that you get a notification for when new videos are uploaded. And I roughly upload every Thursday and Saturday for sure. And then when I do things like maybe Vlogmas or Vlogtober, those are when I'll be uploading every day. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'll see you all in just 1 second. Okay, so here we are, second account, 1178. For this one is the amount that we have to budget. I have my handy dandy little notebook here that I take my notes in to figure out how much money goes where beforehand so I can keep this nice and clean. And let's get started. So business is getting 55. I actually bought some things for the business to get things started. So I do make candles, I do make bath salts because I'm all about self-care. I'm all about making sure that you put time aside for yourself, do things, design a life that you love. Mila Rose Designs, that's why we're here. So how do I put that into practice? I take time out to do things like make sure my house is nice and tidy, light a nice little candle so it smells nice so I can sit there and just take some time to journal, to make goals, to set my daily agenda, all of that fun stuff. And then about twice a week taking a bath so that I can reset, just spend that time focused only on myself outside of all the other responsibilities that we have. So I'm getting back into that. I have done it before, but I really want to make sure I'm devoting that time and energy towards that, into creating those multiple streams of income, and I'm getting back into the business. So $55 goes towards that. Student loans that are in repayment get $55. And I don't know about the rest of y'all. At the time of this recording, there has not been an announcement made for the month of August whether loans will actually restart. But we are going to be, as the manifestation girls like to say, we're going to be manifesting that they are not going to be restarting this month and that we will only have to pay $55 towards our student loans. Banfield pet insurance is $30. Sinking funds. My sinking funds is ever growing, and at this time it's $289. And as you know, we pull that out. We do sinking funds cast stuffing videos. Those will be coming up soon. Lawn care. We're still having to get our lawn done. Cannot wait till it's late fall so that they can stop coming and I can stop having to set aside the $60 for lawn, but that's okay. For now, we will continue to put that aside because I have the best lawn service. They are amazing. I'm always happy with how they do. I think it's SI Lawn Service, so if you're in North Texas, totally check them out, but like not too much because I want to make sure they can remain my client, my provider. So yeah, very happy with their service. $60 set aside for that. Visa payment is $250. Let's see, Kindle. I do keep that Kindle Unlimited because I have a little subscription, little sale on there, and then my Amazon Music, which I'm still debating on whether I want to actually keep my Amazon Prime. I've heard that you can still get the free shipping if you just bundle your stuff together, and then if you don't really watch the Prime videos, then you know it's not really helpful. But I do watch the Prime videos. I do watch the movies that are included in my Prime. So I'm not sure. I need to really weigh out whether it's worth it for me to spend this year. It just renewed. So this year it's $150, and I'm just like, am I wasting $150? That's like what? Roughly about 12, a little less than 12, roughly about $10 a month. So I'm like, is this worth it? Is it not worth it? I'm still on the fence about, because I still have to pay this $13 to use Kindle Unlimited and to use the Amazon Music. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how I feel about it. Date. I don't know if I'll need this money, but my dad is coming to visit this month. So I might be putting that money there or dating myself. Security is hopefully going to get that $60. House is going to get that $10 that it usually gets. These are in external accounts that are bank accounts. Car emergency is $10. We pull this out in cash. New car is $5. We pull that out in cash. We make additional savings for student loans to pay on that, and that gets $20 that we pull out in cash. We have car wash. As I mentioned, now I'm budgeting for car wash, but I'm going to be canceling this. If not already in September, then definitely for October, because I will be washing my car myself, or at least doing so. If I need to go through the car wash, I'll just pay the $5 or whatever whenever I decide to go. What's next? Car maintenance. This is for like my oil change, all that fun stuff. This is also in an account. So this one is $30. Annual payment, so things like I have cushion goals, so I'll update them at the end of the month. Trash gets $30. I think trash will be due, it's quarterly. I think. Is it quarterly? Yeah, it's quarterly. So the next one will be due in October, I believe. And then, so I just do, it's like a sinking fund, basically, only I don't put it in my sinking fund section. Amex. Amex is my car one. This is where I put my car monies. But I had to buy, and I know what you're thinking. You're like, well, you have a car emergencies. Why didn't you pull from your car emergencies? I have a difficult time. I'm just going to admit it. And I don't know who else has these problems, but I have a difficult time pulling from my savings to pay for things. I'm like, I'm just going to put it on the credit and then pay it off and continue to save money. Probably something I need to work on. Probably something related to maintaining an abundance mindset and that the money will come back and blah, blah, blah. But honestly, I'm like, no, I'm just going to put it on this card and then continue to save money in case something like goes haywire. Like, what if I need the money, and as long as I'm still putting money into savings, if at some point I need money to pay on the card, I can just pull it from the savings and still not miss any payments or have to deal with any like hits, dings to my credit. Anyways, $80 goes towards that because I had to buy new tires. I'm constantly getting nails in my tires, but no more nails in the tires. My tires will be safe and it'll be wonderful and perfect. So we'll get that paid off. And then NTTA is $6. NTTA? Why am I putting $6 towards NTTA? Is that to go into the spare account? That's fascinating. I wasn't expecting to put that there. But all right then. I don't know. We'll see if that actually stays there. That's an interesting little note that I have there at the end that I'm like, oh, okay. Anyway, let's make sure that this adds up to 1,178. So we have 55 that we're starting with, plus 55. Yes, okay. Plus 5, plus 20, plus 15. Uh-oh. Ack. Okay, 955, 957. 20 was the last one we put in. Okay, plus 15. Plus 30 plus 6. 415. All right. So we got to make a fun trip to the bank. Don't we all love going to the bank? And I was like, I do not want to get stuck fighting for money. So I asked for change, y'all. I asked to get change. So we got all the bills right now. All the bills. Let me move this over so I can start doing some counting, y'all. We should have $415. So 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 82. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. We're up to 400. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. $415. All right, so now we get to play the fun game of dividing up so that we know who goes where. All right, so we're gonna do, what time is it? Oh, it's 12 minutes in. All right, we will do the dividing up in our next video, and we'll put some of the cash away, and then we'll have just our our sinking funds cash stuffing to catch up on. So next video, we'll divide up and put some of this monies away. I hope you had a great time watching. I really appreciate you sticking around this long. Again, if you liked what you saw, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I will see you all in the next video. Have a great one, y'all. Bye-bye.